So hello everyone, myself Pirevrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques again. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the Wipro Off-Campus Drive 2021. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates like this. And yeah, one more thing, we are helping our viewers or the candidates for the technical and the HR interviews. That means we are taking multiple mock interviews and reviewing the resumes and helping with the feedback session. Like as per your interview performance, we'll be reviewing your profile as well as your interview, and we'll be sharing how can you improve your skills or the performance or the interview performance, so that you'll be able to crack the off campus or the technical or the HR interviews. So if you are willing to take up the mock interview sessions, like there will be 2 to 3 to 4 rounds of mock interviews. If you are willing to get that opportunity, then just ping us at the helpfultechniques@gmail.com. Drop your email like the query, like regarding for which company you want to take the mock interviews, and we'll be trying to help you or reach out to you as soon as possible. So now let's discuss. So they're hiring for the it's like off-campus drive, and this is the career portal or the application page. So here it is, one more thing, it is only for the 2020 and 2021 year of pass out or the batch candidates. 2022 or 2023 year of pass out or the batch candidates are not eligible. So it is for the freshers. That means the candidates those who are having 0 to 1 year of or the 0 to 2 years of experience. That means entry level job profile. Then the eligibility criteria: 10th standard minimum 60%, for 12th minimum 60, and for the graduation minimum 65% or the CGPA or equivalent. And year of pass out, as I told you earlier, 2020 and 2021 year of pass out or the batch candidates are eligible. Then qualification: BE, BTech or 5 years of integrated MTech or the relevant. And branch: only the CSE, IT or the circuit branch candidates are eligible. That means non-IT or the non-circuit branch candidates like mechanical or civil are not eligible, unfortunately. And the designation is as usual project engineer, and salary as usual 3.5 LPA. Then the notice period is there as well as the bond. A notice period is 3 months and the bond will be 12 months. That means 1 year, and if you are leaving before 1 year, then you have to pay 75,000 cash you have to pay if you are leaving this company or Wipro before 1 year. So now let's discuss about the selection criteria or the selection process. One more thing, maximum of 3 years of education gap is allowed, and no pending backlog, no backlog or the standing backlog is allowed during attending this off campus or the drive. And it's an online drive. That means due to this COVID-19, you will be attending the drive from your home itself by using your laptop or the desktop. And every eligible candidate must go through the below online assessment. That means written assessment, aptitude test will be there, like logical ability, quantitative ability, English, verbal, and duration will be 48 minutes. So in our next video we'll be discussing about the few aptitude questions for this Wipro off campus, so that you'll be able to practice the sample questions or the previously asked questions and prepare accordingly. Then the written communication test, essay writing, duration will be 20 minutes, which is more than enough. Then online programming test, 2 programming questions or the coding questions will be there. First one will be the medium difficulty level, and the second question will be little bit hard difficulty level. Then duration will be 60 minutes. Candidate can choose any of the programming languages in the coding test: C or C++ or Java or Python. These are the available programming languages you can use during the programming test. Then after that there will be the written interview, technical interview, and the HR interview, HR or the managerial round. Both will be like there might be 2 different panels or single panel. It totally depends upon their on their panel setting. So if you are willing to apply for this off campus, simply click on the apply button here. Then it will take you to the career page or the registration page. Here you need to provide your email address. After putting your email address, you need to just click on the next. So let me use my helpfultechnics@gmail.com. Okay, so after clicking on the next, you will be able to like fill all the basic stuffs, like you need to attach your updated resume, so that automatically it will populate everything, like all the basic stuffs will be automatically populated as per year according to your resume. The things that you have mentioned in your resume, automatically it will pop up. Then upload your photo, passport size photo is mandatory. This is the mandatory field you need to provide. Then create login ID password, you need to provide login, that means your email address. Then salutation, first name, last name, these things will automatically pop off. Then here you need to choose your time zone. Our is like Kolkata, you need to find that one, or you can right. Let's see if it is fetching or not. Yeah, Indian Standard Kolkata. After that, just click on the submit profile. That's it. You will be getting a reference number. Then after your the profile verification. Yeah, one more thing. Everyone will be able to get the give the written test at least, because it's a off campus or the national level off campus, provided you must belong to the 2020 and 2021 year of pass out or the batch candidate. So in the next video we'll be discussing about the like sample questions or the previously asked aptitude or the MCQ questions for this Wipro off campus. So stay tuned and all the best for your job search or for this off campus or the Wipro off campus.